Hello, my name is Shelby Grams, and I'm currently helping fill in and do videos for my father, Jay. And with that being said, I'm going to give you my best impression of this beautiful 1969 Camaro RS SS. And here we got beauty and a beast. The 69 Camaro has received a stunning frame-off restoration and a 454 engine, Tremec 6-speed trans, plus a full Pro Touring suspension that elevates it to the next level. Additionally, a custom TMI interior and a quality paint job provide unprecedented comfort and style. Any angle you look at her from, she is pretty and powerful and ready to hit the streets. So come on, join me and let's go for a spin. I mean, what a slick looking muscle car. The LeMans blue paint has been neatly applied and looks fantastic. It was then polished and brought to a very reflective finish, and I could literally do my makeup in it just like a mirror. And let me tell you, that takes a lot for a girl to say. Now looking down the side of the body, it is absolutely laser straight. All of the panels have been aligned and the gaps are consistent throughout the car. And let's see. The doors open and close like a new car. The windshield has been replaced and looks to be fantastic as well, and all the side glass and the rear window have been replaced with the glass that is smoked and not tinted. Now the chrome and trim had been replaced on this car during the restoration, and it has the exterior trim group, which includes the rain gutter and wheel well trim, along with chrome louvers on the quarter panels. The blacked out SS front grille and tail panel are in fantastic shape, as are the working electronic hideaway headlights, as dual sport mirrors and a steel cowl induction hood. The black side stripe has been applied under the clear coat, and you can barely feel it. Let's see, when you touch it. It's equipped with some very nice American Racing 18-inch chrome 5-spoke rims, and they are wrapped in performance radial tires that are extra wide in the back, size 275/40 ZR18 in back. Enough said, let's go check out the interior. Now opening up the trunk, it looks to be very nice. The underside of the trunk lid and jamb are neatly painted LeMans blue, just like the body of the car. The bottom side of the trunk has been upholstered with black vinyl, and the weather stripping was replaced. The remainder of the trunk has been fully boxed, upholstered, and carpeted for a cool custom look, which I absolutely love. And the battery was relocated to the trunk behind one of the panels, and there is even a master cutoff switch in place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when the next video is posted. Now coming to the inside of the car, has an awesome custom TMI deluxe interior. The sport bucket seats are not just in front, they are in back too. Up front has a center console with a Hurst 6-speed shifter, and the rear has a console with cup holders. It's now equipped with TMI molded door panels that have very nicely executed workmanship. The dash pad has been replaced, and the remainder of the dashboard has been painted satin black. Even has a custom panel with a full array of auto meter gauges and an electric climate control for the vintage air system. This car also has been upgraded with a modern Bluetooth stereo with speakers added to the kick panels and the rear shelf as well. The custom SS wheel is on a tilt column, and the rear view mirror, sun visors, and carpeting are all replaced and look fantastic. The headliner is also a custom Alcantara one piece, and even the dome light and kick panel lights are working. I gotta say, I just love this interior. It looks so modern. Yeah, buddy. Lots of chrome and lots of horsepower we have here. The engine is a big 454 cubic inch, making an easy 475 horsepower. It has a healthy cam, which is obvious by listening to it run, and it has a set of aluminum heads and a polished aluminum intake. Other go-fast goodies include a big dual-feed Holley carb, HEI ignition, and coated headers. The front of the motor has a full March drive system with serpentine belt, polished brackets, pulleys, alternator, mini AC compressor, and chrome power steering. The car was upgraded with a vintage air AC and heat system, and the power brake system is chromed as well. It has electric wipers, and the squirters are also hooked up. All of the hoses and wires are new and routed appropriately, and a chrome water pump, aluminum radiator, and overflow keep the temperature nice and cool and consistent. The underside of the hood, fender wells, and firewall have all been neatly painted gloss black, and there is a polished filler panel in front of the radiator. Last but not least is the billet aluminum hinges with struts to help lift the steel cowl hood with ease. Now this car had a full rotisserie restoration that has this underside looking so new and clean you can literally lick it. Every single steering component has been replaced with all new parts, including the steering gearbox. The entire front suspension has been upgraded and includes new Speed Tech tubular control arms, adjustable coilover shocks, and a fatter sway bar. Frame connectors tie the front to the back to prevent twisting, and the rear suspension has been heavily upgraded to a full TCI quadrink setup that includes tubular control arms and adjustable coilover shocks as well. New brakes were also on the upgrade list, and they have been converted to a Wilwood 4-wheel power disc brake system with slotted and drilled rotors. A very nice set of long tube headers leads to a dual exhaust system that includes Flowmaster mufflers and a polished tips exiting under the rear valance. The gas tank has been replaced as well as the hanging straps and lines. And looking up at the 454, everything looks clean and includes an extra capacity oil pan and high torque starter. This car was also upgraded with a 6-speed manual transmission that uses a hydraulic clutch and has a lightweight cross member, and the beefy Fab 9 rear is built to handle big power and includes an aluminum center section to reduce the weight. The rear wheel wells have been upgraded with DSE mini tubs to fit those fat tires, and the floors have been also neatly repainted a texture finish black, and when this car was spun and finished on a rotisserie. Now our team of professional mechanics has inspected this vehicle and adjusted the emergency brake cable and lubed the window tracks, greased the hood hinges, and flushed the coolant system. We also adjusted and greased the four-link, replaced the speed sensor, and calibrated the speedometer and repaired the reverse light wiring. Now our shop has also replaced the throwout bearing and shimmed the power steering pump and tightened the radiator hose. Now this Camaro is killer machine with a raging 454 Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, and a very refined pro touring suspension has got what it takes to be the boss. The looks are killer too. The inside offers comfort, and the TMI seats cold AC and Bluetooth stereo. Even sounds amazing if you are in the market for a Camaro that was built to be driven. Look no further. This one checks all the boxes. With that being said, don't let the opportunity slip off your fingertips. So go on, I know you want to. Go on, give us a call and we can help set up delivering this car to your door and even help set up financing. Thanks for watching.